A gun! Give me the freaking gun! What the heck? I can't pick it up. Wait, what's happening?
First to go.
Oh no! Quick, let's get to the bunker. Bruh. What are we gonna do now? Oh no! Not the tango mangles too! Wait, what? What's going on? Okay, you know what? Forget about the tango mangles. We need to find a place to hide. Let's try the mysterious house over there. Really? Let's try checking the diamond house. Let me see, I don't know what to put. Okay, you know what, forget it. Let's just go in. What's happening out there? It seems like the game is getting hacked. What? 50-second ending? What are you even talking about? We need to find out what's going on. Let's check out this place. Wow. I've never seen this part of the map before. Wait, what's this? This somehow looks familiar, but I can't quite grasp why. Player! Did you see that figure before we got here? It seemed strange, but I felt like I had a strong connection with it. But anyways, where even are we? But most importantly, what the heck is that thing? What's going on in here? Wait, what? So you've been here before? We need to find out what's going on. Say, since you've already been here, can you lead us the way out? I'll just follow you. Apologies for the long unskippable dialogues, by the way. At least I don't walk as slow as Groovy. Sweet. The exit. Oh, it's a lie? What do you mean you can't move? Don't be slow, wait, me too. Little? Who are you? Why are you trying to hack the game? What the? Player? Is that true? Huh? You might want to reconsider. He's lying. He won't let you. Whoa. Player. That was amazing. I did not expect you to do that. Hey. Let's go save our friends in the cage. We can't forget our friends. Oh look, there's a bridge to Groovy now. Let's go save him. Go ahead and click the button. I'll go save the rest.
Thank you for saving me. That cage really rots. But I'm glad we are all safe. That thing that caught us was scary.
Thanks,
I think his username was actually... Well, it should be gone for real now. Hopefully. Say, let's go check on our friends.
Good. We are all here. Wait, where is Aviella? Wow, that was beautiful. Anyways, we are here, and it's all thanks to you.